Okay guys, so here it is all mixed up. Let's mix it again just to make sure it's perfect. Now let's cook it! Woohoo! Yeah. Mixed up, let's go and set up the cooker. Click, click, everybody says. Click, click, everybody says. Click, click, everybody says. Click, 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 click. Okay. I've got the cooker. Just need to move the wine glass. Okay. Now, where's the plug-in? Okay. So there's the cooker. Oh, it's the wrong way around. And then you plug it in there, like that. Whoops, the soap just fell in the dishes. Okay. Then you turn it on, and then you put it on 55 degrees. And then you wait for it to heat up. Oh my god, it's boiling hot already. Okay, let's get out some tools. We'll get a scoop to scoop it on. No, that's not a good scoop. We'll use this scoop. Then we'll get this flipper. Wait, I should let the juice drip off. Okay, let's go back over. Hi, Fred! You missed out on your tuna. So, oh, there it is. So, Mr. Funky Chicken Dude's here. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why we're wearing different clothes from last time, well, the video ending for last time got deleted, so it was funny because I was making pancakes today, so I decided to record with it just to finish off the ending of the video. So here's things. Where are plates? I'll get the plate out. And do you want to record here? Me putting this first scoop on. I think this is good. Let me just... Oh no, it's so drippy. It's not that running, that's not that good, but never mind. Okay, now let's get the next pan. Oh. Okay. Pancake, show me your shoes. And I'm not going to tell you what that's off because it's my country's, so we don't want to tell you, but I'm not sure if this is a good flipper. Do you think it is? I'll see if there's a bigger one. Just in case they catch on fire. I don't think the fire truck makes that noise. That's your police car makes that Nino. They all make the same noise to me.
No, they don't.
To me. They do.
One goes. One goes.
What if I went slap? What if I go flip? And it goes. we're flipping this one. Oh, we're flipping. Oh, we're flipping this one.
Oh!
That's what happens every time I flip the first one. Oh, that didn't leave any marks. Must be very well cooked.
Oh, we can't really see the second one there, Noodleton.
Oh. This is really good cooking, I think. Okay, I'll see you when they're done.